Hi guys, this is the third video of the Nativity build. The one I started before summer. The first video was about making the basic shapes, the second video was about texturing, and I promised to do a last final third video about painting it. Now the good news is there is a great video already there about painting this project. The bad news is, I don't mind, but well, I didn't do it, but my very dear friend Chicken from Chicken's Tabletop got his hands on the first nativity build I made and painted it and made a crazy video about it. It's roughly a 10-minute video. I will put the link somewhere. He painted the whole project. Sure, I could do the same, but the quality of his work is so amazing that I don't bother. Surely I will paint it, but I don't dare make a video looking at his. A few things. You will see in the video he is using mostly acrylic paints, some inks, dry brush techniques. Some of these things you can also find on my channel, but that's, I would simply say go and check it out. So I have to say sorry, I didn't held up my end of the bargain. I promised to do a third video about painting it, but well, I explained it already. His video is awesome, so check it out, Chicken's Tabletop, and he is doing very well, but he could do even better, so please like and subscribe if you like that video. Okay, well, a very short announcement, but hey, I can tick it off my bucket list. So the third video of the Nativity build is done. This one will go on the shelf. It will collect some dust. Not for long, because I still want to paint it someday. But I have other projects on my mind at the moment, which I will show you in the upcoming next videos. Thanks. Sorry it's short, but when you look at the video in the link, you will be well rewarded because it's awesome. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon.